take this support material off. Pops it off. Smooth. Pretty smooth. I have to hit it with a heat gun. There's only one small printing defect. You can see that this little spot didn't fill in, but because of the placement of the light, the space that I have for the cable, that is going to be at the back of the model, so that's not bad. That's good. I just have this interior support to get out so that I can get the light fixture in there. And this should be pretty easy to pull out. Pretty easy. Mostly come at night. Mostly. Ooh. A lot of support material inside of that. Yep. There's the interior workings of the LED lamp holder, which is great. Nice. Let's just see if I can get some more of this internal stuff out of here. This is the stuff that's holding up the top of the clouds on the inside. It's not required for support after it's printed. During printing. This is why it's nice to have the right maker tools. If you didn't have maker tools before you start 3D printing, you're definitely going to need them while you start 3D printing. See the top of the clouds now, which is good. And that worked out well. Losing it. The grip's losing it on my pliers. Oh no. There's a few exterior surface blemishes I'm going to have to clean up a little bit more precisely. I made the walls of the clouds 1.5 millimeters when I hollowed it out, so there should be sufficient material, even if I pull off all this colored support, for the clouds to be solid and luminescent. Let's see. There's some support material over here in the corner. Try and get some of it out, but because of the way that it went up the rainbow, I don't think I'm going to be able to get all of it out. digging inside the shell of a crab, almost. You can kind of see inside of there. It's a very interesting pattern of support. White seems to be most of it, and then there's colored bits underneath it. And it's very much like digging licking lobster meat out of the shell. It's very interesting. Okay. Go to the longer needle nose pliers. That came off nicely. Let's see if I can get the rest of this off as nicely. It's coming. I would like to try and get as much of it off as I can so that more of the light shines through the clouds on the LED lamp below. There we go. I got the edge of it. Chunks now. Because I have the edge, it's easier to grab something. Gives me some place to leverage. There we go. There, nice and clean inside. See if I can do the same thing for this edge over here. That's going to be a bit trickier. I can get bits. Okay, so except for some rogue bits of filament and a few spots here and there, I think that's mostly done.